Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can word count in Google Sheets. So let's get straight into it and we will go step by step, nice and easy. So click wherever you have free cells and where you want that word count appear. So I will select right here. Then type in formula like that. Now we need to put in value 1, so split A1, I will go with that one, like that, and then like so, and close it 2 times. So you can replace A1 with your actual cell. Now press enter. This splits the text in A1 by spaces and counts the resulting part right here. So I have 1 right here. Like so. If I change this to A2, as you can see, and to A4, so you can see here 2 right over here. It works. So I hope this. So if you want to count the specific word, you will use this specific formula. So count if, and then we will go with it like so. I will close this one, and here you can type in your word here, so I will go with that one, and you see that this word here has 10 words. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Play a little bit around with this counting in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.